Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the wild world of meme coins? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and buy meme coins using Dexscreener, one of the most powerful tools for tracking decentralized exchanges. Whether you're chasing the next Shiba Inu or just curious about how it all works, I've got you covered. So, let's jump in. First, let's talk about Dexscreener. Dexscreener is a website that tracks live trading data from decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. It gives you real-time information on token prices, trading volume, and liquidity, basically everything you need to make informed decisions when buying meme coins. And the best part, it's completely free to use. Alright, step 1. Head over to dexscreener.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can look up any token you're interested in. If you already have a specific meme coin in mind, type its name or contract address here. If not, no worries, you can explore trending tokens to find something new. Once you select a token, you'll be taken to its details page. Here, you'll see the current price chart, trading volume, liquidity, and recent trades. Take some time to analyze this data. For example, a steady upward trend could indicate growing interest in the coin, while a sharp drop might be a red flag. Also, check the liquidity pool. If liquidity is too low, it might be hard to trade the token without significant price impact. Now that you've found a meme coin you like, it's time to buy. You'll need a decentralized wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other wallet compatible with the network. The token is on usually Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or others. Open your wallet and make sure you have some cryptocurrency like ETH or BNB to swap for your meme coin. Step 2. Go to a decentralized exchange. Dexscreener will usually link directly to the DEX where the token is traded. Click the link, connect your wallet, and import the token's contract address to add it to the exchange. Enter the amount you want to buy. Double-check the slippage settings. Some meme coins require higher slippage, and hit swap. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, and you're done. Before we wrap up, let's go over some quick safety tips. First, always double-check the contract address to avoid scams. Only use official links from trusted sources. Second, be cautious with new tokens. Many meme coins are highly speculative and can be risky. Lastly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Meme coins can be fun, but they're also volatile, and that's it. You now know how to find and buy meme coins using Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comments what meme coins you're watching right now. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.